Yeah. So inside me, I got this one thing that I'd like to tell you, but to tell you the truth, I'll have to die. Cause to tell you the truth, I'm not your guy. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside. No matter what, I'm not your type. Yeah, no, I'm not the best guy or the perfect one, but I got you in my mind, and I don't know why. I'm writing this song. It doesn't even rhyme, but you're on my mind, and for me, you're the one. Not the perfect one, but the one for my heart. I forgot what to write, cause you're on my mind. So maybe I can sing, or even rap, but I'm doing this song to tell you that you're on my mind. Haters gonna hate, but you know what? I don't really care, cause I think of you so much, and I don't know why. Even though I'm not the guy that you want, I'll always be there, on the same spot. I won't tell you who you are, but you'll be there, on my mind.